How to get Microsoft reward points faster. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be talking about Microsoft reward points and some of the ways to accumulate it faster. So, to get started with, open your Microsoft rewards. First of all, what you can do is complete daily activities. It offers different kinds of daily activities such as quizzes, polls, browsing with Microsoft Edge that reward points. Make sure to complete these activities regularly as they provide a steady stream of points. Likewise, participate in different kinds of challenges that is run by the Microsoft frequently. Additionally, use Bing for searches. Set Bing as your default search engine and use it for your online searches. Microsoft Reward awards points for using Bing for searches with opportunities to earn more points for reaching certain search milestones. Likewise, you can shop from Microsoft as well in order to increase the Microsoft reward point. Other thing that you can apply is go to the web store and search for Automate Bing Search, click on the first link and then add the extension to your Chrome. This can also help in order to increase the reward points. Likewise, complete offers and surveys and participate in Xbox activities. And the other thing that you can apply is refer friends. So this were some of the ideas that you can apply. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.